That was really cool. Just had 3 dolphins or orcas. I think they were orcas. They were a bit bigger than dolphins, and they're really black. Just cruise straight along here in front of me. I left Coles Bay this morning. I'm heading north and I'm heading up to Bay of Fires, but on the way I thought I'll stop off at Bishno, which is on the way. Grabbed a coffee and I thought I'd come and check out the big surf that they're pretty famous for, and the blowhole, but I think I've picked the wrong day. There is absolutely no surf at all and it's calm as, and I can't see any blowhole. I've just pulled up at Bay of Fires and I'm about to go and check it out for the first time. I can't believe how quiet this place is. Alright, there's 2 people over there walking, but other than that there's no one else here. And have a look at this. So I'm right at the southern end, so this looks like a bay off the bay. So I'm gonna go and see if I can find some more. This is pretty nice. Took a little bit of exploring, but I've eventually found my camp spot. So I'm just relaxing in my camper van now. I made it to Bay of Fires and went out, got some photos, built a fire. I was cooking dinner in the camper van and I left to go check on the fire and I came back 5 minutes later and there was a possum in the camper van. So I had to go around the front and bang on the camper van to try and chase him out the back, and I'm hoping he came out. I haven't seen him so far. I might find him at 2 o'clock in the morning scratching at my face. Hopefully not. But this place is super relaxing. It's not very busy. The beach is dead. It's just empty, but it's the most white, sandy beaches you've ever imagined. Super blue, clear water. A little bit cold, but I might give that a crack tomorrow. I think I'm going to try and go for a swim. I'll try and stay in longer than last time. Try and stay in for 4 or 5 seconds this time. So, but the water is just crystal clear, so it just draws you in. You just want to jump in the water. So, looking forward to that. It's not actually too cold tonight. It's pretty good. But yeah, super relaxing. Such a nice place. Okay, it's currently 9 degrees, but it's such a good day. The beach looks so good. The water's so clear. The sand is too white not to go for a swim, so here it goes. Woo! I'm kind of numb. It doesn't actually feel too bad. I can't actually feel anything anyway. Oh. I can feel a little bit. Fuck. Oh. That has to be good for my ankle. I thought it was like a metre deep. It was like 2 meters deep. Oh, the water's so clear you just can't tell. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, I feel so cold. This is the clearest water ever, but it's also the coldest. Oh. Oh. I feel like my lungs have shriveled up. But it's probably not just my lungs that have shriveled up. Oh. Alright, so we can add either dolphins or orcas to those things I've done and seen this morning. That was really cool. Just had 3 dolphins or orcas. I think they were orcas, they were a bit bigger than dolphins and they're really black. Just cruise straight along here in front of me. As soon as I jumped in the water it got really deep and I kind of felt like I was getting sucked out as well, so kind of glad I didn't get sucked out and get eaten by an orca. Okay, so after looking back on the footage, I'm not so confident they were orcas. But if you're a dolphin expert, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section.